Ecosystem and biodiversity. The course name that is environmental study. The course code 22447. The outcome of this topic to conserve the ecosystem and biodiversity. Ecosystem means it is a study of the environment, and biodiversity means a variety of life. The set that is MCQ question set 3.1. Let's begin with first questions. Which statement is correct with respect to the food chain? We know the food chain, that is a transfer that is start from the producer to the consumer to the decomposer. Yes, the every component of the food chains they form the tropical level, that is from the producer to the consumer to the decomposer, they form the tropical level. This is correct answer. The interrelationship between the that is food chain is known as a food web. This is also correct. The all food chain formed by the nutritional relation is used to understand the flow of energy. Means the option D is the correct one. Next question. Which of the following terms does not apply to the humans? The humans are heterotrophs. Yes, it is correct one. Secondary consumer, it is also correct. Primary consumer, it is also correct. Means it is related to the human beings. Humans are not primary producers. Means they are not produce their own foods. That's why option B is correct one. Which of the following require the maximum energy? Primary producer require the maximum energy to produce their own foods. By absorbing the carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight, they produce their food. It requires the maximum energy. That's why B is the correct answer. Next question. The pyramid of energy is always upright states that the energy conversion efficiency of herbivorous is better than carnivorous. We already know that the flow of energy from the producer to the consumer, consumer to the decomposer, during that there is a flow of energy takes place in always upright. Fifth question. How many biogeographical regions are present in India? We know that is a tens. The pyramid of biomass in aquatic ecosystem. In case of the aquatic ecosystem, that pyramids, that upright pyramids is inverted. That is the inverted pyramid is that. In an aquatic ecosystem, the phytoplanktons can consider as a producer because they are produce their own food. That's why it is considered as a producers. Which one of the following area in the India is a hotspot of the biodiversity, that is Western Ghats? The terms alpha diversity is referred to the community and the ecosystem diversity. The lime is added to the soil which is to be acidic. Acidic means to reduce the acidicity, we have to be add the limes. So the pH of the soil to be maintained. The ecosystem does not consist of the cellars. Means we know that is three important component of the ecosystem. That is the first one is the producers, consumer, and decomposer. Cellar is not comes under the ecosystems. Genetically different population with the same physical features is known as ecotypes. Dash dash is not generally seen in biodiversity hotspot, that is lesser interspecific competition is not generally seen. 14. Example of an ex situ conservations. Sacred Groves National Park, Wildlife Sanctuary, all are the example of in situ conservations. But ex situ conservation, that is seed bank is there. The whole proposed who proposed the terms ecosystems. We know that is the C option, that is AG Tanslace. Next, Nike is the place where a particular organism lives. Yes, that is a true option is there. Sorry, that is a false option is there. B option is there. Which of the following represent the maximum number of specific among the global biodiversity? It is a fungi is there. Fungus. Biodiversity of geographical region represent diversity in the organism living with the regions, that is called as biodiversity of geographical region, that is the option is that. Which one of the following is not used in the ex situ conservations? It is a shifting cultivation. Remaining are the greatest problem of the water conservation is to reduce the amount of runoff waters. Thank you.